Hey everybody. So did you realize that you could reduce cravings with essential oils? You can. It is interesting that a lot of times when we're craving food or salty or sugar or something like that, it's an emotional thing. We kind of know that, right? A lot of us are emotional eaters. I am too. And so we already know that, but kind of we just want the thing that we have a taste for. Well, I'm going to show you a trick or tell you about a trick. You can use an essential oil inhaler and a glass of water to help end or delay a craving. So make a blend that is specifically for reducing anxiety, that's peaceful, like you can use your peace and calming blend. We have a video here on YouTube with peace and calming. You can make that inhaler. You can use a different ones to kind of reduce that craving. Some of the best ones are nutmeg, cinnamon bark, frankincense, grapefruit. Those are all really good to help reduce craving. If you remember, you can head over to the Teachable Classroom and look for craving inhaler, and you'll see a video there where I teach you how to make an inhaler with, we're actually going to be using cinnamon, nutmeg, and neroli. And I'll teach you about that while we're using those, and we'll make the inhaler together. But for the rest of you, I just wanted to give you those tips. You can make your own inhaler and help to reduce cravings. So just give it a try. Make the inhaler. Have a nice inhale when you first know that you want to get something to eat, or even when you're deciding what you're going to eat. That's a pretty powerful thing too. When it's time for meal planning, it's time for you to start thinking about where you're going to go for lunch, where you're going to go for dinner, what you're going to get for breakfast, what you're going to have for a snack. And as you're in that process, inhale. Other side. Full glass of water, and then go for what you want to eat. You're gonna see a shift in kind of what you go for and how much you eat. Please let me know how this works for you. I'm really excited to see your results. All right, bye.